Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about wearing lipsticks, and I will be doing the classic red lip today. You can just try it along with me. So there will be two different shades and two different textures as well. The first one will be a liquid lipstick. I will show you how to apply it, and the second one will be the normal creme lipstick. So you can just pick up these two different kinds of lipsticks from your collection and try it out along with me. So in that case, you can start with a mild lip balm, not something that's super heavy or super creamy, because if it's mild, it will help to set in the lipstick better. So I'll start with the lip balm. Just take a very little quantity of it and apply it. You don't need to apply a lot because the lip balm is primarily to ensure that your lips don't feel dry, and a little bit of it is enough. So now I'll be moving on to the lip liner. The only thing I want to tell you guys is that when you're choosing a lip liner, please ensure that it's pretty much close to the shade of the lipstick, because otherwise if you're using something that's really different, then it will blend with the color of the lipstick and the shade of the lipstick will change on your lips. So if you want to keep the shade of the lipstick intact, then please choose a lip liner that's pretty much close to that. Another thing guys, I will mention the products that I'm using for the lips in the description box. I'm not talking about them while doing this video, but then you can check out the description box and find out the products that I'm using. So let's get started with the lip liner first. So that's the lip liner. So once you're done lining the lips, you can move on to the lipstick. So yeah, the lipstick is done. You can see how defined it looks with the lip liner. So this is a problem that I have personally never felt of defining the lips, because I already have lips that are pretty much defined. But then a lot of people face the problem of applying the lipstick in a proper defined manner. So in that case, the lip liner helps a lot. So don't miss out on the lip liner, because it will help you chalk out the area you want to apply your lipstick within. You can apply a double coat if need be. So give the lipstick a couple of minutes to dry down, and then if you want like a glossy or a metallic kind of a look, or maybe a dewy kind of a look, then you can top this up with a transparent lip gloss, or you can go for a metallic shade. Now I will be using a metallic shade on top of this. I won't be going for a gloss. I'll show you the metallic one. But then you have to remember that if you are applying something on this, then it will change the color of the lipstick, and if you're okay with that, then please go ahead with whatever topper you want to use. So let's do the metallic lip. Can you see my lips have this metallic finish now, but it has changed the color of the original lipstick a bit. So for the creme lipstick, you can skip the lip balm part because as we all know, creme lipsticks are already creamy and they are not drying. So it will anyway keep your lips moisturized. So I'll start with the lip liner. So moving on to the lipstick. The last thing I'm gonna do today is I will be using a lip topper on this, but if you're okay with just the lipstick, it's absolutely fine because it's already a creme lipstick, and if you're adding something on top of it, then it will make it all the more creamy and it might not stay for a very long time. But in case you want like a more glossy or a more jazzy kind of a finish, then you can go for the lip topper. So both the red lips are done today, guys. I hope all of you liked it. Do try them out at home and let me know how it works. Till then, love you. See you all.